Alright y'all, so if y'all keep up with the TikTok stories and the TikTok lives, y'all have heard me say that the motor did just blow up on this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and just drop it. We're gonna drop the motor and put it on a table and just get to work on it from right there. As you can tell, it's already leaking off. Tried to do the manual swap today and one of the parts don't fit, so I got mad and I just threw it back together. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil first and then go ahead and start getting the bolts out to drop the motor. I cannot explain how freaking hot it is, but we finally got the bolts out, so I didn't want to pull it off until I turn the camera back on. So we about to just hope and pray. I don't know if y'all can see it that well. There's a piston. She's still locked up big time, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this side cover off real quick, and I'll catch y'all right after. Alright y'all, so we got everything off. Can't get the crank to spin, so we're just gonna go ahead and push this to tomorrow, because I am hot. I'm dying right now, so I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the morning. Alright y'all, it's like 2 days after I started recording this video. Yesterday, I didn't do anything because it was 111 degrees in my garage. It's probably still around 100 in here right now. Middle of summer, garage is just shut, other than one. But I decided to come here and mess with it because it kind of starting to bother me. I ain't rode nothing all week. That right there, I did just pull the clutch apart so that we can add some weight to it so we're off limiter. I already did that. One-way bearing is gone from recent video. If y'all didn't see, my belt got wet as soon as we hit a hole. It was with the worst stuff we could have possibly rode in. But with here looking at the cylinder wall, a little bit of scarring, oh well. Probably gonna buy a new top end or new big bore kit. If we go to the piston though, y'all can see it. It's got a ton of scarring. So originally whenever it had the cylinder wall on it, wouldn't spin. Now we're back to it spinning, so that means the crank is not locked up, which is awesome because I did not want to replace the crank in this thing. But piston, if I'm correct, I'm not too good with these Hondas, but I'm pretty sure all pistons are supposed to be able to, like, you know what I mean, like rock. This one, I'm pretty sure is seized. So I'm gonna most likely end up having to pull the piston off, just buy a whole new big bore kit and we'll be back. Not like I even make riding content on this thing, but I do really miss riding it because I'm always out riding at the warehouse, at the gas station. I use this thing to go get my drinks every day to work on that or customers' bikes. But yeah, I just want to go and give y'all an update on how it's going. Hopefully by the end of today, if I don't have to replace it, maybe if I can pull it off and mess with it. I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull the piston off. I'll probably catch y'all after that. If I don't catch you after that, I am most likely going back inside because I am already sweating. So this guy over here should be done by next week. But yeah, I'll go ahead and catch you in a few minutes. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and order the piston. It's already so hot. I'll go ahead and catch them when we get the new piston and we get the piston off. So, hold on. Just purchased the new big bore kit off eBay, obviously, but should be here hopefully Friday or August 4th. So Friday's literally around the corner. I'm editing this video on, I think today's Wednesday. So 2-day shipping off eBay is low-key crazy, or 1-day shipping, I don't know, but freaking video is coming along, so I'm gonna try to make it a good one for y'all. Hopefully it's not too boring, but peace. Alright y'all, so this video will be a few parts, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Next video we should be opening the new top end and most likely putting on, so I'm pretty sure it'd probably be like 2 parts instead of 3, but I wasn't able to finish the full video just because the top end won't come in till tomorrow, and tomorrow's the day I post. So I'm gonna just go ahead and post this video as part 1, and y'all just stay tuned for part 2 next week. we'll just go from there. I also have more camera stuff coming in. That's pretty exciting. And I'm also adding a few more things to the website, like Rockley mounts, keychains, stickers, all that stuff, so y'all don't just have to buy a license plate or a shirt. But I'll go ahead and catch y'all in part 2, or I'll just catch y'all next week. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all boys.